Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the system. Create a system restore point and back up anything irreplaceable. Once done, download the specific previous Nvidia driver that matches your GPU and OS. Next, reboot into safe mode so drivers can be safely removed. Make sure the is on a USB or local folder. You will use it immediately to clean residual driver files. This step prevents conflicts. Do not skip it, because leftover driver components cause repeated update loops and instability. Once in safe mode, run and select the Nvidia removal option. Allow it to remove drivers, profiles, and registry entries. After the finishes, reboot to normal Windows. This ensures a clean environment. Now run the older Nvidia installer as administrator. Choose Custom Install and check Clean Install to avoid remnants. Install only the graphics driver and FizeX if needed. Skip GeForce Experience if you want manual control. After installation completes, reboot again so the new old driver registers with. After reboot, verify the driver version in Device Manager or the Nvidia control panel to confirm rollback. Then run a short GPU test or a representative game to ensure stability and monitor temperatures. If Windows tries to reinstall a newer driver, hide that update using the Microsoft show /hide tool or disable automatic driver updates temporarily. If you encounter a black screen or instability, boot safe mode immediately, rerun and reinstall the chosen driver. That single troubleshooting step resolves most post rollbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.